have connected three cables here actually, from common, tank low and tank high, and I can short it here. Hello, here we Inostech introduce a unique product called temperature controller cum water level indicator. Actually, this device will monitor the water temperature and level of the water in the water tank, and according to that it will automatically power on or power off the cooling system. So coming to this front end side, here we can see a 7-segment display for indicating the temperature, and to set the temperature here 2 buttons are there. 3 LEDs are here for water level indication, and other 3 LEDs are here. Out of these 3 LEDs, 2 LEDs are for cooler on and cooler off, one is for temperature error, and power on LED is there. Coming to this side, here one switch is there, 3 positions are there. The downside position it will bypass, and in the middle position off, and the upward position auto. The downside, here we can see 2 connectors, 3-pin connector and 6-pin connector. This 3-pin connector, here we are connecting that power in phase in and neutral. This is the output point. And in the 6 connectors, first 2 points are for temperature sensor, then other 3 are for the sensors for the water level. The X, forget about that, this is for future purpose. So that's all from this video. In the next video we will explain how to set the temperature. Thank you. In this video let's discuss about how to set the temperature. So here I have already connected this 230 volt phase and neutral here. Output is not connected to any device, and I'm going to switch on this to the auto position. You can see AY, INOS, then SF means sensor failure, because we have not connected any sensors here. The first 2 pin is for temperature sensor, that's not connected, and also we can see here water is not here. That means here water level sensors are not connected, and cooler is off, temperature error is there because sensor failure. This is a default condition, it will come like this. Now I will show you how to set the temperature. Holding these 2 buttons together will display the temperature that we have already set. I'm going to hold it, okay? Then once you see the temperature, then release the buttons. See, now 25 is the previous setting. Now if you want to change the temperature, you can use this up and down arrow. Okay? Now the next thing is automatically hysteresis will come there. You can see that hysteresis value already it's set to 3. That also we can change it. That means 25 is the temperature value we set, and 3 is the hysteresis value. That means at 25 degrees centigrade the compressor will be on, then that water will get cool, then it will come to 25, 24, 23 and 22. That means 25 minus 3, hysteresis value is 3, 25 minus 3, 22. At 22 degrees centigrade compressor will be off. So that's up to the temperature settings. So in the next video I will explain how to wire it and the operation of this device. Thank you. Yes, cooler is off. Now the temperature will rise again. It will comes to 25, that cooler will be on again. See, I will increase temperature 23, 24, 25. It will take 10 seconds. Once it reaches 25 degrees centigrade, it will take 10 seconds to switch on the compressor. See, this is the things. Now you can see here, if I remove this cable, temperature, that means temperature failure is happened. See, you can see 50. That is the count actually, 50 minutes. Now 50 minutes, suddenly once the temperature removed, temperature sensor removed that cooler on, now it will on 50 minutes. After that 10 minutes it will be off. That frequency will continue, 50 minutes on and 10 minutes off, 50 minutes on and 10 minutes off, like that. Now I am connecting once again the temperature sensor, red wire to this positive, and okay, now the 29 degrees centigrade is there. And one more thing is there, if power goes and comes, if it comes, actually water is there, temperature is 29 degrees centigrade, that means cooler should on. It will take around 2 minutes, then only the cooler will be on. And even if the temperature failure happens also, power goes and comes, SF will be there. I will show you that. I am going to make temperature sense failure. Now power goes, power comes, SF sensor failure. After 2 minutes only the count up start, the 50 count. And here one manual switch is there. If something happen here, you can go with the manual. See, out is coming there that time. Now off. Now it's a manual. That's all. Thank you. Okay, let's see the wiring. Here, this is a sensor, temperature sensor. And 2 wires are coming from here. One red and one white is here. So red is the positive. It should connect to the positive point. Then white is connected to the negative point. Okay. Now this should goes to the water tank. We should dip into the water, this point. Next, here we can see 3 cables. C is the for common, then tank low TL and tank high TH. So the common, the sensor which is connected to this common should goes to the downside of the tank. Here when picture notation is here, see, from the common the water level sensor should come to the downside. From the tank low, it should come at least 40% of the tank, and the tank high should connect to the top of the tank. This may vary according to the cooling system if you dip into the water. Anyway, this is the wiring diagram. So for the demonstration, I have connected 3 cables here actually, from common, tank low and tank high, and I can short it here instead of putting water. Actually here what will happen, if water is coming here, the sensor which is connected to the common point, that means this one, then water will comes again and this will short, the tank low and common. That time what will happen, here this LED, 20% LED will go off and 40% LED will go on. Still water rise again, then if it comes to and reaches the tank high position sensor, then all these 2 LEDs will glow. We can see that here. See, this is a common and this is a tank low, this brown color wire. I will short it here. You can see here, see. Okay, next tank high I will short it. Now you can see full and cooler is on. Why cooler is on means we have set it to 25 degrees centigrade. Before beyond the 25 degrees centigrade, the cooler will be on.